Unicorns are awesome, but we all have our off days. Popping this pimple isn't going to be easy. Especially with a baby unicorn inside. Next, let's plant it to help it grow. Just kidding, we're making a mold. Now we've got a unicorn eraser too. Ah, nothing beats a good lollipop. As long as you make sure to hold on. Uh-oh. Probably shouldn't eat that. Good thing we've got a backup. And this time, we'll play it safe. And cover it up with air plasticine. Don't worry, Jax has got your back. And you've got your lollipop. Uh-oh, the professor's got a pimple. Hey, keep your hands to yourself. A notebook? Cover it with bubble wrap. Fill it with paint. And a pus pearl on top. Maybe a little blush for swelling. And it's time to get popping. Unicorns have such pretty hair. It'd be a shame to cut it. So let's cut Paper Pomni's hair instead. And wipe off all that gunk while we're at it. She's overdue for a facial. Add some acne patches and they come clean off. And let's brush those teeth while you're at it. Now let's show off your smile. It's just so easy to get distracted at school. Just don't let the teacher catch you. This marker has possibilities. Let's heat up a piece of paper and use the cap to make a bubble. Let's add some glue and a heart. It's the pencil topper that's fun to poke. And poke it we shall. Among other things. Can you solve the problem on the board? Guess she needs a helping hand. Maybe I shouldn't have said hand. Well, it's time to grade your work. And no, that's not for fantastic. Maybe it's time for a little extra credit. Draw something with that whiteboard marker. And make sure to add some water. Personally, I would have just drawn an A. Silly unicorn, this isn't music class. Come on, give up the ear pods. And away they go. We'd better be careful next time. It's okay. It's nothing tape, and our 3D pen can't fix. With a little imagination, we can make it anything we want. Like our brand new unicorn pendant. Just a harmless piece of costume jewelry. At least until Teach looks away. Ugh, I think someone needs a tissue. Or better yet, how about some sticky notes? Take a square and draw something on top. Like a cute little smiley face. Why don't we cut it out and add some tape for a little lamination? We've just made custom stickers. And we're gonna need a bunch. Lunchtime doesn't come soon enough. Too bad food's not allowed in class. And I don't think you're getting it back after class. Let's think outside the wrapper with special glue stick candy. Just squeeze in what you can in an empty tube. And when no one's looking, take a bite. After all, we've all got a sweet tooth. But remember, fruit is nature's candy. Don't worry, I don't see any worms. And a little melted chocolate. And sprinkles. Can make any apple slice into a treat. And I think your teacher agrees. Aw, school love notes have come a long way. But teachers haven't changed much, have they? At least you get to keep the confetti. Besides, cleaning it up will be fun, especially with the help of our tape. It's already pretty colorful, but we're just getting things started. Add more tape to keep it in place. And why not write something on top? And run a ribbon right through our new bookmark. Well, a growing girl needs her sleep. Unfortunately, this isn't nap time. And you're getting drool everywhere. Come on, put those unicorn powers to work. An egg? Well, what's inside it anyway? Water beads. Let's fill up this little plastic bag. And cover them up with glitter glue. Try to smooth it up, as long as it's still squishy. Sometimes school can be a real pain. At least the points aren't facing the other way. But those were some of her best pencils. I know. Take a cotton swab and wrap it up in gauze. Now let's tie them all together and pour on some colorful ink. Soon, we'll have a bunch of makeshift markers, and they're great for making rainbows. Wow, a claw machine! Put in $1 and let's go! Who you gonna pick? Ooh, you got a Pinky! Let's see if we can get the whole collection. So, what are you gonna do with them all? Looks like it's gonna be a great big bash tonight. These balls sure like to get around. But why don't we help them stay more grounded? Move from the fast lane to some slice of life. Looks like all your friends want to settle down, too. Ooh, a Happy Meal. Oh, right, your tip. What's inside? Ooh, I hope there's a toy. Even better, it's an Oren burger. Oh, it's disgusting. That's a nasty patty. It's so gross, and yet we can't look away. So why don't we give it a makeover? Might as well pop a few of these pimples. Honestly, it's all just one sticky mess. Still, it's kind of fun to squish around. Let's see what else is in here. Not sure what it is, but it sure is sticky. It's not exactly an ideal snack, but it still seems fun to play with. Well, would you like fries with that? Never mind, blocks are more fun anyway. You can make anything, like fries. What? Fries are still pretty neat. Don't forget to share. Laundry day already? Well, get things turning. Wait a minute, that's not laundry. We're mixing up a special brew. But something tells me we're still gonna clean something. Here, Ratty, you could use our special water beads. Now let's pour out our special concoction. Next, our secret bath bomb powder. Because baths, like coffee, are just better with foam. Hey, you got a little something. It's a magic cleaning flower. It's got a dirty job, but someone needs to do it. Hey, need a hand? Well, how about a spare arm? I wonder if there's any buried treasure here. Uh-oh, Dracula doesn't live nearby, does he? I'm almost too scared to look, but not that scared. Ugh, whoever's in here sure is messy. Wait a sec, it's not the undead, it's Oren! They've just been preserved in slime. And they've got all this cool stuff with them. Good thing you've got that shovel. Never mind, that'll take too long. Guess we gotta get our hands dirty. Or slimy, as the case may be. Never knew Pinky was so transparent. Ah, strawberry milk. Always makes things better. Careful, you might feel a slight pink. Look at that. You're somebody now. Uh-oh, looks like you've got company. Ooh, Pinky, you're looking a little red. Probably shouldn't poke those eyes. Unless you're using cucumber slices. Everyone can use a facial now and then. You gotta let the good times roll. Okay, I think it's time for the big unveiling. Ah, much better.